Welcome back to Alam PowerPoint channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create animated snowfall effect in PowerPoint. It's really cool to spice up your opening. I think you can make it better than this tutorial after you watch this video. Alright, first of all, right click, format background, and then change the color to dark gray. This color is good as workspace, so you can easily adjust the white color of snow later. Insert one circle, and then draw it while holding shift key to block the ratio. Right click, format shape, get rid of the outline, go to effect option, and then add a little bit of soft edges. For me, 5 points is good. Now, change the color of the circle to white. Hold on guys, if you look closer, it looks like a snowball, right? So here, I'm gonna call it snowball only for this tutorial. Duplicate the snowball. For another snowball, I want to change the size so that we have more variation. You can hold shift and control key all at the same time while dragging the mouse to make it smaller like this. Alright, now we have 3 circles. Drag it to the top outside of the slide like this, add animation, and then click on custom path. In effect option, click on curve. And now, just draw it carefully however you want. You just need to make sure if the snow falling naturally. In my case, I want to put the end of motion outside of my slide so no one can see if the snow disappear. For another snowball, do the same thing. Add animation, select custom path. In effect option, click on curve. Now draw it different way than before. Here you're just gonna make sure if it looks natural. For third snowball, do the same thing and exact same animation. Here you just need to draw it a little bit different than the others. Alright, now we have 3 different snowballs with different animation and movement path. Duplicate one of the snowball, move it, and then drag the motion path to create more variation. Duplicate another one again, move it, and then just like before, drag the motion area a little bit. Duplicate another snow. Now I move it to higher position than the others. And then I drag it a little bit to make motion path area longer. And yeah, it's still about variation. Duplicate it again, move it, and then drag the motion area. Basically, in this step, you can apply the same principle until the slide is filled with enough motion path so that it looks natural when you see it later in preview mode. To add some variation, you can always go to effect options and then click on edit points. Here, you can drag the black dot to precisely adjust motion of this animation. For this one, let me add a little bit of length for my motion path. After you feel good with your snowballs, go to animation pane, select and block everything, right click, make them start with previous. Here, make sure you change the duration to 10 seconds. After that, you can change the animation duration for each snowball one by one. Here, I make sure each snowball has an animation duration between 7 to 20 seconds. Just gotta make sure that when the animation begins, they don't move uniformly. Once you're done, select and block every shape's animation, right click, effect option. On repeat option inside of the timing tab, click on until end of the slide. So yeah, when you see them in preview mode later, the snowball are gonna loop until you move it to the next slide. Next steps are gonna be piece of cake. Right click, format background, in fill option, click on picture, and then insert one from your device. I think this one is good. I'll put the photo link in the description. Here you can insert any text that you want, make sure it's big, and you can align it to the center. Insert one rounded rectangle, draw it like this, change the outline color, and then add some weight. Change the fill color, and then add a little bit of transparency. You can add the text by adding text box on top of the shape like this. Alright, now in selection pane, select and block all of the objects except the snowballs, put them in the middle of layer order. Alright, in preview mode, it will look something like this. As you can see guys, some of the snowballs fall below the text and some fall above it. If you want to learn another cool, easy PowerPoint presentation like a magazine style PowerPoint, feel free to hit the video on the end screen. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.